Hello friends, in this video I show you how can you withdraw money use Indian Bank ATM machine. Okay, let's see. I show you. So this is Indian Bank ATM machine. So friends, first insert card in ATM machine. And choose language. I choose English. Click here. And click here friends, withdraw. And if you have current account, so you click current account, or if you have saving account, you click saving account. So I have a saving account, so I click here saving account. So write your ATM password here. And select here amount friends, how much you want withdraw. So I select 5,000. So I write here 5,000 and click to yes. Just wait 5 to 10 seconds. Okay friends, money come out ready. And take out ATM. So very simple or easy friends, you can withdraw money use Indian Bank ATM machine. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.